Chapter 8, Section 1 is going to be the first part of photosynthesis, and Section 1 is going to deal with energy and life. Plants and some other types of organisms are able to use light energy from the sun to produce food. Autotrophs are organisms that can produce their own food, and heterotrophs obtain energy from the food that they consume. So this is a little bit of review from what we've done before when we talked about ecology and heterotrophs and autotrophs and feeding relationships. Adenosine triphosphate is one of the principal chemical compounds living things use to store energy. ATP is what adenosine triphosphate is generally referred to as. It differs from ADP in the number of attached phosphates. Right, so ADP would only have 2 phosphates. ATP has 3. Adenosine di 2, adenosine tri 3. Adenosine triphosphate is going to be what we use for energy. We're going to deal with that a little bit in photosynthesis, but we're going to deal with it heavily in respiration. The characteristics of ATP make it an exceptionally useful molecule that is used in all types of cells as the basic energy source. So it can be used in active transport. Glucose has 90 times more energy than ATP, and cells can create ATP from glucose. ATP is an efficient way to transfer energy, but not for long-term activities. So we're not going to store ATP, but we are going to use it to create energy quickly. And here's a diagram of adenosine triphosphate versus adenosine diphosphate. We notice that in ADP, there are only the 2 phosphates, and that third phosphate is removed and is used for phosphorylation, which powers reactions.